CTOps transforms clinical trial protocols into structured digital workflows that connect recruitment, study execution, monitoring, compliance, and financial operations across clinical trial sites and site networks. From protocol to financial operations, CTOps connects the full site workflow in one unified platform. At the center is the CTOps platform, orchestrating trial operations across site teams, systems, and processes. CTOps integrates with key clinical systems including EHR, EMR, patient databases, and EDC to support connected trial execution. Core capabilities such as participant engagement, eSource, finance, eReg, signals, CTMS, safety, and analytics work together to support day-to-day site operations. CTOps is designed for every key stakeholder involved in site operations, from investigators and coordinators to finance teams and site leadership. Clinical trial site operations. Clinical trial sites manage many complex activities simultaneously, including patient recruitment, regulatory documentation, study visits, monitoring activities, safety reporting, and financial management. Principal investigators oversee study conduct and patient safety. Clinical research coordinators manage daily trial operations and study execution. CRAs and study monitors ensure protocol compliance, data quality, and study oversight. Regulatory specialists maintain compliant, inspection-ready study documentation. Patients and participants remain at the center of every clinical trial. Billing and finance teams manage study budgets, invoicing, payments, and reimbursements. Site network leadership oversees performance across multiple studies and locations. When these activities rely on disconnected systems and manual workflows, operations become fragmented and inefficient. CTOps brings them together into one platform designed specifically for clinical trial sites and site networks. Study setup and regulatory management. A new clinical trial is about to begin. The regulatory specialist creates a study workspace within CTOps to initiate the study setup. Essential regulatory documents are uploaded and organized within the centralized eReg repository, ensuring documentation remains structured, searchable, and inspection-ready. IRB submissions and regulatory workflows are initiated and tracked directly within the platform, helping regulatory teams manage approvals efficiently. Investigators are assigned to the study, ensuring roles and responsibilities are clearly defined across the site team. Protocols are structured using USDM and ICHM 11 standards, enabling digital interoperability across clinical systems. Budget and coverage analysis. Before patient enrollment begins, the site team prepares the study budget using CTOps. Protocol visits and procedures are automatically structured to generate accurate coverage analysis. The platform generates sponsor-ready budgets while distinguishing billable and non-billable activities, accelerating financial planning and sponsor negotiations. Patient recruitment and eligibility automation. One of the biggest challenges for clinical trial sites is identifying eligible patients. The coordinator uploads the study protocol into CTOps. The platform automatically extracts inclusion and exclusion criteria and converts them into structured eligibility rules. These rules are evaluated against patient data from EHR systems and clinical databases. CTOps highlights patients who may qualify for the study, allowing coordinators and investigators to identify and engage eligible participants quickly. For site networks managing multiple studies, recruitment progress can also be monitored across sites. Patient portal and eConsent. Once a patient is identified, the participant receives an invitation through the CTOps patient portal. The participant reviews study information and completes the electronic consent process digitally. When consent is electronically signed, the system automatically records the event within a secure regulatory audit trail. Study execution, visits, and eSource. Once patients are enrolled, coordinators manage study activities through the CTOps study dashboard. The platform tracks enrollment progress, visit schedules, and study milestones in real time. During study visits, coordinators capture clinical observations directly within eSource forms. Vitals, laboratory results, and clinical assessments are recorded digitally and synchronized with EDC systems, reducing transcription errors and improving data accuracy. For decentralized or hybrid trials, participants can connect through secure virtual visits. Monitoring and study. Oversight. CRAs and study monitors access dashboards that provide real-time visibility into study progress and site performance. Remote source document review allows monitors to verify study data without waiting for on-site visits. Risk indicators help identify potential issues early and enable proactive collaboration between monitors and site teams. For site networks, dashboards provide centralized oversight across multiple studies and locations. Safety and quality workflows. During the study, investigators may need to document adverse events or protocol deviations. Within CTOps, adverse events are recorded directly within the system. The platform guides safety workflows and ensures appropriate documentation and escalation. Protocol deviations can also be captured and tracked in a structured quality workflow. If monitoring findings or deviations occur, CTOps automatically initiates a CAPA workflow, enabling root cause analysis and corrective actions to be tracked until resolution. This helps sites maintain strong quality oversight and continuous inspection readiness. Traceability and inspection readiness. Because study information is structured digitally, CTOps provides complete traceability across the clinical trial lifecycle. Protocols, patient visits, adverse events, laboratory observations, and regulatory documents are fully connected. Investigators, monitors, and regulatory teams can review the entire data journey for any patient or study activity. This ensures documentation remains consistent, auditable, and inspection-ready. Financial management. CTOps also provides financial visibility for clinical trial sites. Sponsor invoices can be generated automatically based on completed study activities. Receivables can be tracked across sponsors and studies, with clear visibility into payment status. Participant reimbursements can also be managed directly within the platform. For site networks managing multiple locations, financial dashboards provide a consolidated view of study revenue, operational performance, and payment status. Analytics and study opportunities. Analytics dashboards help site leadership track recruitment progress, study performance, and operational efficiency. Leadership teams gain visibility into the health of active studies across sites and sponsors. CTOps integrates with CRM systems and external data sources such as clinicaltrials.gov, OpenFDA, and FDA warning letters. These signals help sites identify new study opportunities and strengthen business development strategies. Connected clinical ecosystem. CTOps integrates seamlessly with existing clinical systems and operational platforms. CTOps seamlessly integrates with existing clinical systems including EDC, EHR, CTMS, safety, and financial platforms, ensuring a connected ecosystem across the clinical trial lifecycle. From study startup to closeout, CTOps keeps trials connected, compliant, and inspection-ready. CTOps, Clinical Trial Operations Automation, Mushroom Solutions, make life better.